How to install GTA 5 on your laptop. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily install GTA 5 on your laptop. So the first thing you want to do is simply open up your web browser and then search for GTA 5 download and hit enter. Click on the first link from Rockstar Games. And once you click on it, you're going to have to log into your Rockstar social club. You could simply create an account, or if you don't have one, you could just sign up for it. So I'll just sign in with my account for now. And here it's going to take me to the sign in page. I'll just click on sign in with my account to the Rockstar Social Club. It's going to send a verification code over to the email. So let me just quickly check my Gmail on a new tab. So here's the code. I can just copy the code, go back over here, paste it, and then click on submit. Check this box for terms and conditions. And once you click on next, it's going to take me to a new page where I'm able to download Rockstar Games launcher. If you already have it, you can directly open it up. Now once you log in, you can just click on buy now and then select which platform you are on. Click on select platform. I'll select PC for now. And then you can click on buy now for $30. Click on buy now, and then you should be able to add your card details to your account. So I'm already logged in. Now it's going to ask me for my checkout to add my payment info. Go ahead and click on pay now. So add your card details like your card account number, expiration date, your CVC code, your region, and then click on pay now. Once you've done that, you will be headed over to the Rockstar Games launcher. And if you already have it on your PC, you can directly open it up. If not, you can go to a new tab and search for Rockstar Games launcher. And then you can just hit enter, click on it, download the Rockstar Games launcher. Click on get launcher. And then it's going to download an installation file. You just have to go ahead and open it up. Once the installation file is being downloaded over here, click on download for Windows. Now it's going to go over here, open the exe file, and then click on it. Once you have successfully installed the launcher, just go ahead and click on it to open it up, and then click on yes. Now select your language, click on continue, tap and continue again, accept to the terms and conditions. Again, tap and continue, select where you want to choose your install location. You can browse and select any other folder as well. I'll just continue on with the default one. Wait for a bit, and then it's going to start installing the launcher. Now click on close, and it's going to run the installer or the launcher itself. Go ahead and click on it. Now it's going to connect to your Rockstar Games. All you have to do now is log into your account where you've just purchased GTA 5, and then your game is going to be available on your library inside the launcher. Then you can just click on the game and install it to your device. It's going to show you some storage specifications, so click on yes here, wait for a bit, and you'll be asked to log in. Just go ahead and log in with your account, and then you should be able to find the game inside your launcher. Then you can just go ahead and install it to your device. It's as easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful to you, be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.